Ready to unlock the secret weapon for transforming your photos into mind-blowing art using Midjourney 5.2. First things first, jump into your Midjourney Discord server, locate the message input box and click the plus sign to the left of it. This will reveal the option to upload a file. Now, choose the image you want to breathe new life into from your computer. Select your desired image and hit open. Once uploaded, copy the image link, then type Imagine followed by a space and paste the image link directly into the prompt box. After the image link, add a text prompt describing your desired transformation. For example, you could say a painting in the style of Van Gogh to give it an impressionistic twist. Hit enter and let Midjourney work its magic. The bot will generate for variations based on your image and prompt. Below the generated images, you'll find UNV buttons. U stands for upscale, allowing you to enhance a specific variation. Choose U1, U2, U3, or U for based on the image you want to refine further. The 5 buttons stand for variations. Selecting a V button will generate for new variations based on the corresponding image. This is perfect for fine-tuning your creation. To take things to the next level, experiment with parameters. An AR169 for a widescreen aspect ratio, or stylize 1000 to crank up the aesthetic intensity. And that's it. You've now mastered the basics of uploading and editing images. Midjourney 5.2 to now go forth and unleash your creative vision. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more Midjourney tips and tricks.